Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm sharing 3 amazing homemade face masks for detanning. These DIY recipes can smoothen, moisturize and protect your skin. They are easy to prepare and use. For the first mask, you will need 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, 1 teaspoon of curd and 1/4 teaspoon of honey. Just mix everything well together and make a smooth paste. So coffee has antioxidant and skin lightening properties. It helps to prevent tan, fine lines, wrinkles and discoloration with continuous use. So apply evenly on your clean face and leave it on about 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. For this face mask you will need 1 teaspoon of besan, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoon of curd and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Just mix everything well and make a smooth paste. You can use it directly, but I like to keep it in fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. It will give better results and also cooling effect. And now just apply this on your clean face. This face pack helps to remove tan and lighten the skin tone. It reduces excess oil and prevent pimples. Same time it's moisturizing and gently exfoliate the skin and making it soft and radiant. You can leave it on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes or till it dries out. And then wash your face with water and pat dry and moisturize your skin. For this face mask you will need half cut tomato. You can take tomato juice as well. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. You can poke tomato with the help of a fork. And into it add lemon juice around 1 teaspoon. Now gently rub this tomato on your face and neck. And leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes after rubbing it. If you want to exfoliate, you can add powdered sugar or normal sugar on this and then exfoliate. This mask is full of antioxidants and skin lightening properties. It helps to reduce tan as well as keep the skin soft and glowing. Usually a suntan takes 10 days to 1 month to disappear completely, but using homemade face pack can give quick results. Also, it's very important to add sunscreen in your daily skincare routine. Tanning may also make your skin dull, and these homemade face packs can help restore your natural glow. So I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Do like and share this video. Also make sure you subscribe my channel for many more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.